Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you my latest UI kit, which is the flat dashboards UI kit. So as you can see, this kit is basically composed of 6 pages. The main page is the dashboard light, in which you can see all the 20 screens, and you also have the darker variations of the screens, which are the exact same screens, just in a darker version. We also have 4 screens, which are the sign up and login screens, and also the 4 modal screens, which you can use for modal windows and pop-ups. So one of the greatest feature about this kit is the fact that all the colors and all the text styles are synced within this page. So basically you can change the colors and adapt them in a very quick way. So if, for example, we want to change all the green colors, such as the one used in this graph in the screen over here, you can simply go on this screen, select all the green tertiary colors. You can simply change them directly from here. For example, you want to change the hue and the darkness of this. You can simply do that from here. And you simply have to click on the refresh button. And now all the colors are going to be updated throughout the screens. And as you can see, also this button has changed, and all sorts of other connected elements. And if you go back and we undo this, we can see that also the darker colors are interconnected. So you can literally change all of the colors directly from there. Another very cool thing about this kit is that all of the textiles are unified in these major groups. So these are the light textiles for lighter screens, and here we have the ones for the darker screens. So if you select all these text or just a few of them, you can easily change the typefaces and change the colors and any appearance that you want for the text. So if I just refresh this, and as you can see, the whole text styles in the entire UI kit have changed and updated accordingly. So this is really a feature that can help you change and make like very big updates and adjustments in a very quick way in just a few seconds. And the last part of the kit is the symbols. And as you can see, we have the basic symbols for the forms, drop downs, call to actions. We also have some icons. And by the way, I use the Google material icons for this kit, which are all free and extremely well crafted and compatible with a lot of websites and all sorts of applications. So it's a really safe choice to go with those. And we also have all the symbols which are grouped in this UI kit. On a final note, the symbols are also responsive. So basically you can adjust this to any different size of screen, and you can really make these components adjustable to all sorts of different situations. So yeah, this is basically it for this brief presentation. And yeah, if you have any questions, I'm always happy to answer them. You can find me either in the comment section of UI8, or you can drop me a message at my website, which is pierluigigiglio.com. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.